My name is Randy Smallwood. I'm the President and Chief Executive Officer of Wheaton Precious Metals. We've just finished celebrating our 15th year of delivering value through streaming, not only to our shareholders, but to our partners and the communities around us. In 2019, our highlights include record gold production of over 400,000 ounces, record gold sales over the course of the year, silver production of 22.5 million ounces, palladium production at 22,000 ounces, of course with palladium prices up over 150% from when we closed the transaction in 2018. Palladium's becoming a more and more important part of our portfolio. We exceeded our guidance for the 8th year in a row, even with some of the challenges that we had in some of our portfolio. It's a diversified and strong enough portfolio that it covered some of those challenges and again exceeded guidance. Our share price was up 55% over the course of the year, which we feel is very reflective of the quality of the assets and what they're delivering going forward. Sustainability is not an option for us. It is a requirement. It's a requirement of any successful business and any successful franchise. CSR, ESG, they're all party to a strong social license. I come from an operating background. I understand that when it comes to being successful in any type of venture, you need to have strong social license. You have to have the support of your neighbors, of the community, of the people around you in terms of going forward. And so we at Wheaton, long been leaders in this space. We're the first in the space to invest back into the communities where we get our resources from and help our partners be more successful and keep stronger social license because it's the right thing to do. In 2020, shareholders can look forward to continued growth of our portfolio. Peñasquito will see some of the highest grades of that entire mine plan over the next couple of years, and so we should see record silver production out of our Peñasquito investment. The Constancia operation, Hudbay has signed the surface rights agreement for the Pampacancha zone, which is much higher grade precious metals, so we should see really an uptick in gold production out of the Constancia operations from that Pampacancha zone. That'll kick-start in 2020. The Stillwater mine continues to move forward with their Blitz campaign and the Fill the Mill project in terms of increasing gold and perhaps more importantly palladium production, especially with palladium prices where they're projected to move over the next couple of years. The Salobo mine Vale is continuing to move forward on track and on schedule in terms of the 50% increase in throughput capacity at Salobo. We expect to see production from that coming on 2023, 2024. And so, again, continued growth all the way through 2020 and continued outperformance from this very strong portfolio of assets. This, of course, has given us a very strong balance sheet that we are ready and waiting to invest back into new accretive acquisitions, to put dollars back into the ground. And I can tell you that in the first part of 2020, we've seen a definite uptick in terms of opportunities out there. Lots of interest in terms of using stream financing as a means of investing back into the ground, and so very hopeful that we'll be able to grow our company not only organically in 2020, but also by some accretive acquisitions. We developed the streaming model over 15 years ago, and without a doubt, the streaming model is the best way to invest into precious metals. The fixed costs on both the capital and operating side, the leverage to the commodity price, the access to organic growth through these investments, and the fact that we pay a dividend, and I have no doubt in standing here saying that Wheaton is the best way to invest into precious metals.